Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about a program I have used before. It's called LearnZillion. And what LearnZillion is a bunch of videos that are done by other people and can help you in your math or even your language arts. And it's very informative. So there's a couple different ways you can get into this. First of all, there's a teacher login that you can do, obviously. Um, Student login, if you decide to put your classes in there. I've never done that. Quick code, you can actually give students a code to come in straight off of the internet, learnzillion.com, and watch a video, which is really cool. What is also nice is this is free. So you can go ahead and join our vibrant community for a free account and get started today. So for teachers, you would just go ahead and hit teachers and go ahead and fill out your requirements that you would have here, your email confirmation, your name, your password, and re-enter your password. Or you can even just log in with Google, which I've done many times before. So if I just go ahead and log in with Google, um, all I have to do is view my email address, and I'm going to hit accept. And then obviously this is my account from Google. I know this because that's the picture that I have used for many years. So from here, what you can do is you can choose what kind of videos that you want. So you could do math, and you could pick your level, or you could do obviously your ELA, your language arts. I know that the Common Core Navigator, basically what this is right now is just kind of showing you what the Common Core kind of looks like as far as different grade levels, and it kind of gives you a nice little overview. If we click on 6th grade here a minute, it will show you all the different strands that you would have with your statistics, expressions, geometry, number systems, ratios, proportions, and relationships. And then from there, you have all your different little lessons, but actually at this time it only gives you like the strand, and then it kind of tells you what it is, so to say. So they don't really have great videos on the Common Core, but I do know that they are working on it because they are in the process of recruiting a bunch of teachers to do that. So if you want to go back to your math and click on whatever grade level that you are at, hit 6th grade. For those of us in 6th grade, once again, you can pick one of the standards that you would have here, statistics and probability. Oh, how fun is that? So basically from here, it just kind of shows you some different lesson sets, and each of these are going to talk about all of the things that we have listed up here. Understand and describe a set of data. Obviously we have different things like line plots and dot plots and a bell curve and things like this. Obviously they are labeling some of these as core lessons, but I know that they are still working on those. So when you actually click on one, so let's click on this because it talks about Mr. Smith. So seems appropriate for me. Anyways, scrolling down, a couple of things you can look over to the side. It gives you a parent letter. If you notice here, it does give you a quick code. This would be your lesson right here. Obviously, you can see that it's about 5 minutes. Some of them are really good. Some of them are a little dry. So you do have to watch them a little bit for content. But I think it's kind of neat that you can teach a lesson and you can use this as an introduction, or you can use this as a follow-up. You can use this in lab along with Study Island or whatever else you're using. You can just get a quick code and copy this down, and then you can assign this lesson to your students. They can access it immediately by following these steps. No login required. They just go to LearnZillion, enter the code, and enjoy watching the video lesson, which I think is kind of neat. So if you found some that are beneficial, the kids don't have to worry about logging in. They just go to learnzillion.com, put in their code, and they're ready to go. So this is a website that I think is beneficial for math teachers, ELA, obviously science and social studies. I don't have anything on here right now. Common Core I know is coming. I've actually received several emails about this. I've been on LearnZillion for years, and if you're interested, you can get on learnzillion.com, and they are looking for great educators out there to help prepare lessons. So something to keep informative about. So LearnZillion, great website to find some videos to help kids out, get a code, and help reiterate what they're learning. Enjoy.